Hey my beautiful people, in today's video let's see on how you can easily make good money in spot trading using Binance as your exchange. If you don't know what is spot trading, this is buying crypto assets when the price is low and sell them when the price has gone up in value. For example, if you are on Bitcoin, you will buy this Bitcoin when the price is here, and then you sell it when the price goes up in the value. And the good thing with spot trading, here you own your asset. You can use this asset and you purchase something in developed countries where this one has already started, and you can easily transfer this asset to another exchange. While future trading, it is trading on contract and you don't own that crypto asset. Without wasting much of your time, let's go on what brought us here, which is buying a coin or purchasing a coin for holding or for a short period of time of selling. If you are on Binance homepage, you come and click on where you see trade. After clicking on trade, then here you will see on this page where you see convert spot, and then you need to make sure that you are on spot, and then where you see here, this is our trade pair, which is new stock USDT, and this is our buy, this is our sell, this is our ask price, this is our selling price pressure. And then let's go to how you select the coin you want to trade. You'll come and click on where you see Nero and you select the coin you would like to trade. In this case, I want Pepe. I click on Pepe, and then a big given Pepe stroke SDTs, where you see -25. This is if it is in red, it means this coin has moved down by -25, and if it is plus, it means that the coin has moved up by that certain percentage you will be seeing there. Then, and where you see limit, you can click there and select and mark as market. If you don't know the big difference between market price and limit order, market price, you are buying this coin at its current price, which is here. And then if you want to buy this coin when it goes slightly down, you can click here and select limit order, and you type the price you want to buy this coin at, or you can select the amount of Pepe you would like to trade. Either way, you can put the amount of USDTs you want to trade using. And in this case, I'm going to go with market order, and then I will select amount of USDTs I would like to trade using. You can either drag this one, or you put here manually the amount of USDTs you want to use for trading. Let's assume you want to use like 30. You can type them there, and then you click on buy, or else you can come and drag this one from left to right, and until you get a certain amount of money you want, USDT you want to use for purchasing. And if you want to use to trade the whole money you have on your spot trading, you can drag it free and until it shows 100%, or you can drag 50% of your capital. And in this case, I'm going to use like $20, which I will type $20. After you have made sure that everything is okay, I will click on buy, or else you can first click on where you see candlestick to analyze the chart if it is the best time to enter the market. And to me, this is the right time to enter the market because I've already done the analysis. If you want to learn more on analysis, you can click in the link below in the description to inbox me in person, or subscribe, tap on notification bell to always get these videos first, and you make some good money in crypto. I'll click, as I told you, I put 20, I click on buy. After clicking on buy, it will come under my holdings. When I click on my holdings, you can see that I'm buying this paper. It is under my assets, and if I go back on assets, I can easily on spot, you can easily see that Pepe under my assets, which it is here. And you can, if you want to know how to take the profits, subscribe, tap on notification, comment in the video. I'll make that video for you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.